This is Jitan here and welcome to TradersTV. By the end of today's episode, you're going to learn how SmartCharts can drastically improve your trading performance. It's not only because of the fast trading execution and some of the best trading strategies offered to you from the platform, there's a whole host of other benefits. Let's have a look at a few of those now.
So how can SmartCharts drastically improve your trading performance this year? Well, let's have a look at the 5 things that are available to you with the platform. The first thing is this: analysis. The platform allows you to analyze and look back historically at your previous trading activity, so you can capitalize on what has been working for you and minimize on the things that haven't been working for you. It's almost like becoming your own coach, developing the skills you need to capitalize on what you're good at, but to work on things that you're not so good at. The second thing is innovation. Because the platform is full of different strategies, you're constantly able to innovate within your trading business. It's great when the markets are trending that you have trend-based strategies, but when the market isn't trending and perhaps ranging or going sideways, do you have the right and do you have enough strategies to capitalize on those market conditions? So innovation is very important as a trader. Third thing is simplicity. We cannot get bogged down with technology and trying to figure things out and things crashing on us and so on. Okay, we need technology to work for us. We need to utilize it in our lives like we do with everything else. So using a trading platform allows you to take trades very, very quickly. Now, the SmartCharts platform helps you do that, which is unlike any other trading platform out there, which I'll come to show you in a moment. The fourth thing is flexibility as well. So the great thing about the SmartCharts platform is the fact that I can use it wherever I go. I can use it on my laptop, I can use it on my home working desktop. When I'm at home, I can travel around with it and quickly log in wherever I want. So it's a great way for me to remain flexible, and especially for you as well, if you're working and traveling a lot throughout the day or throughout the week, you still want to be able to tune in and look at the markets and see what's happening. The fifth one is this: risk management as well. This is a really important one because there are no boundaries for you as a trader. You can literally do anything you want to do in the financial markets. The only problem with that is you need to make sure that you do things in a risk managed way. And the platform allows you to do that because it's been geared for traders by traders, and risk management is the number one principle that traders always focus on. So let's have a look at the platform and let's just show you some of this functionality. So one of the most important things that we need to be able to do as a trader is to analyze our historical results. The SmartCharts platform allows us to do this quite easily. Now, I do this on a week-by-week basis. Some traders do it on a month-by-month basis, but I guarantee you all the losing traders don't do this at all. Okay, really important. You have the ability to see in a snapshot manner what has been working for you and what hasn't been working for you. So here, for example, for the month of December 2017, when I was analyzing my last month's results, we can see what the best performing strategy was. Yeah, on this strategy here, I only won 30% of the time. I lost 70% of the time, but I was still making money on that. Okay, and that's the power of reward to risk, which we've covered in a few other videos. Some of these strategies here, 100% win rate here and 90% win rate. So it's very important that we look at this criteria and we start to make these analysis and try to identify what was going right and what was going wrong. Okay, so something like here, like the pip runner, which wasn't my best performing strategy last month, I need to look at those trades and identify, okay, well, what was I doing differently? Okay, was I following the rules? Was it being a bit too aggressive? Was I being a bit too conservative? What was going on? I can always scroll down as well and see the best performing strategies, the best markets as well. So for the month of December, Euro was the best performing market for me. And we know, many of you already know, that we've been trading for the Euro. Those of you following on the live stream here, we already know that the Euro was on the radar for the trading month, okay, of December. So it gives us that kind of analysis, and these are the kind of things that we go through in the live stream here as well. So every morning I myself am on there discussing the trades that I'm taking and the trades that are potentially setting up. And I'm also not just there by myself as well. There's other traders there who are sharing their analysis, and David here in the Asia session as well. So there's a variety of presenters here to help you identify what is moving right now and where you need to be putting your efforts. Okay, great tool for a lot of people to help dissect the markets and start trading efficiently. But of course, the second thing is this innovation. Okay, so innovation is important as well. We need to keep innovating in our trading business, and that's why here in the strategy section, there's a basket of different strategies available to you, so you're able to trade across different market conditions. It's great when the markets are trending and you have trend-based strategies, but when the markets are moving sideways and ranging, do you have enough strategies there to capitalize on those market conditions? So innovation is going to be very important as well. Simplicity is also important. So we need to be using platforms that are very simple to get information and to trade with. So, just clicking on a news button, I can quickly see at the click of the button all the different news announcements coming out this week. So I can navigate and organize my diary according to these key news announcements. And of course, any key news announcements I need to be aware of, again, just there readily available to us. Now, when it comes to trading as well, we need it to be simple. So we can see here on the scanner, it's already telling me potential trades that are setting up, and all these green flashing icons means that there are potential trades setting up on that particular trading strategy, be it a trend-based strategy or a reversal-based strategy. So straight away, half the work is done for me. I just need to look at these trades and see if there are things that I actually want to take. So really simple to use. But of course, we also need to remain flexible as well. And flexibility in the financial markets means diversification. Okay, here we can see in the quote window, we have access to global stock markets, so the FTSE 100, the Nikkei, Japanese stock exchange, the S&P 500, the US 30. So we have a basket of different indices and stock markets we can trade. We also have a basket of different currencies we can trade as well as commodities like gold, silver, and oil. So again, we are remaining flexible within the markets. But also, we need to have sound risk management principles. And nothing beats this. Nothing beats the risk management process on the SmartCharts platform, because when you come to place a trade, you can start to set your own risk management principles. So risk at 1% of your account, 2% of your account, 3% of your account, and so on. So you can keep your risk management safe and secure. Okay, and for example, if you just click the sell button here, you will see an order come up where it gives you almost like, do you want to take this trade? Okay, so it's almost like a safety reminder. Okay, this is your trade, and this is how much you're going to risk, this is how much it is, monetary terms, and so on. So you always have those safeguards in place. And this is really important as a trader, because there are no boundaries in the financial markets. You can do anything you want to do, right? But of course, that's great, but there's also a problem for new traders as well. So the risk management part of the process makes this one of the best things to be focused on for 2018. Okay, so there's 5 different reasons there why SmartCharts can improve your trading this year.
So now you've seen a little bit about the SmartCharts platform. I'm sure you're all eager to get going. Of course, to start the right way and to learn a little bit more about the platform and how you can start using it and trading it and using it to your advantage, then click on the link below and register for one of our free Forex trading workshops near you.